叻咧就係阿叻點解嚟我屋企咧？佢係7月1號，有個叫做日院搞一個領養日，就帶同我啲小朋友一齊去睇，就見到阿叻啊個樣，我女中意隻狗，我就領養翻嚟咯。其實我有一心係想幫佢咯，就想即係幫，見佢咁多狗喺度，唔知之後佢會點嘅，不如我幫得一隻得一隻，我就換咗一隻咯。
This international rehoming center will take care of these animals forever. Plus, will be also responsible for saving greyhounds in China that are in a risk situation, including meat market. My business is to have a good solution for those greyhounds. And I believe that that solution in that place is the best for them.